Hello to our best audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make a dish from mushrooms, and for that we need, of course, some mushrooms. We need some carrots, onion, and for the beginning we need to start with cutting down the mushrooms and making them ready for the filling, and then cutting down the parts of the mushrooms that we have just divided separately. Later, all we need to do is cutting down the onion into small pieces. And of course, grating the carrots. We'll need also some grated cheese. And we need to start or continue with putting on some olive oil and putting the onions and carrots to be cooked a little bit and adding the parts of the mushrooms to this. Let it be cooked a little bit. And whenever done, add 1 teaspoon of salt, a little bit of red pepper. And let's make also some salt onto the tops of the mushrooms as well, and put some butter, small cut it down butters onto them, and let's fill them up. Let's repeat this for all of the mushrooms that we have, and also add the grated cheese to the top of them. Whenever all of them are done, we'll be cooking this from 20 to 25 minutes